In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple guide on how to change text color in Canva. Whether you're using Canva for your business presentations, social media posts, or just for fun, being able to quickly and efficiently alter the look of your text is a handy skill to have. So let's dive right in and explore how you can do just that. First, we'll start by navigating to your Canva project. Open up Canva in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, locate the project you want to work on. This could be a saved design you've been working on or a fresh template you're starting with. Clicking on the project will open it up in the editor interface where all the magic happens. Now, once you have your project open, we'll focus on the text whose color you would like to change. Click on the text element you'd like to modify. You'll notice a blue outline or bounding box appearing around the text, indicating that it is selected and ready for editing. This selection allows you to make changes specifically to that text box without affecting other elements of your design. With the text selected, direct your attention to the toolbar that runs along the top of the page. Here you'll find a variety of options to tweak your text. Among these choices, look for the color option. It usually resembles a letter A with a gradient bar underneath it, symbolizing a rainbow, and should be near the font and size settings. Clicking this icon will open up a color palette for you to choose from. The color palette offers a wide array of colors, reflecting Canva's rich library of hues, giving you the flexibility to match your design's theme or mood perfectly. You can simply click on your desired color and you will instantly see the text change color in real time. This way, you can preview it and make sure that it fits well with your overall design. If you want a more customized shade, consider using the color wheel feature. By adjusting the sliders or inputting a specific hex code, you can craft the exact color you envision. This functionality is particularly useful if your design needs to adhere to brand guidelines or specific color themes. Once you're satisfied with your color selection, you're all set. Your text color has now successfully been changed, enhancing your design and making it visually appealing. Remember, changing the text color is a simple yet powerful tool in creating eye-catching designs that convey your message effectively. Experiment with different colors and don't hesitate to play around to see what combinations work best for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enhance your Canva skills. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to boost your creativity.